Apply concealer with flat applicator eyeshadow brush. Brush here I am using all from Vioni Ballet. Now begin with stencil outline. This will give you a guideline where your darkest shade to be placed. Blend it properly with the smallest brush. Now use fair shadow with small blending brush and highlighting shadow with bigger round blending brush. Use a darker shade on the outer corner, blend it well with the crease line, then again use a fairest tone to blend it well. Keep in the mind you have to apply this product in a dabbing motion so that it should look seamlessly blended. Again use a bigger brush to blend the highlighting area. Remember to cut, conceal and clean it before so that you get the smooth finish to apply any concealer. I am using here is white and pink eyeshadow base. Apply same color powder eyeshadow, then blend it well properly on the outer corners. Define the crease with Vioni Ballet Crease Definer brush. It is very important step to give it a clean and neat look. After this, apply some duochrome on inner corner and brow bone area, which are again from Vioni Ballet. Shade is French Bride. After applying black eyelash glue liner, I am applying the eyelashes and finishing the look with the eyeliner. I hope you like this video.